everybody's having a wonderful Memorial Day. Let's talk about the 8-ball. The 8-ball is the most loved and the most hated ball on the table. You can't wait to get to it. When you get to it, you get nervous. Pool was started back in like 1345. It was outside its croquette. They made a green table to represent the grass. That's where the pool started. Can you imagine how much money's been lost on the game of pool since then? How many families have been wrecked over that ball right there, the 8-ball going in the long pocket? Let's talk about the shot. The straight-in shot. Could you make that shot for $1? More than likely. But as the money goes up, the shot gets harder. So, how about there for $5,000? Did you do it? Maybe. My friend one fall couldn't. You start throwing money at him when he's betting, he falls apart. That happens to a lot of people. They just fall apart. How about if we set it right here for $20,000? You're probably going to miss the whole ball completely. It's just too much money and too much pressure. So, I've been working with Harley Davidson on a new development for 2022. We're coming up with a tailgater deterrent, the beginning of a party, the end of a party, just something for you to pull behind your new CVO. So right now, we're going to go out and we're going to send this 8-ball down its last hole. It will never wreck another life, and it's not going to take any more money. So let's go get rid of this 8-ball for its last time. You're kind of getting a first look as of new for 22, the new Screaming Eagle Cannons. So take a look at the cannons. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh, my fuse is getting a little short there. This is the plan. Harley's been talking to me, and I've been negotiating with them on the new Screaming Eagle Cannons. So hopefully in 2022, when you buy the new CVO, we're going to throw you in the new Screaming Eagle Cannon. Now this is to detour, of course, tailgaters. We're going to have a fuse that's going to sit in there. It's going to get you pretty much through town. So I guarantee if you're driving through town with the fuse burning, you're not going to have any tailgaters. I mean, nobody is going to want to be behind a cannon that's getting ready to blow. So, step 2 is we're going to negotiate with them. They're going to see this video, and we'll see how many people reply. This is going to be the end of Mr. 8-ball. He's going to go down the hole, and hopefully this is the last hole that Mr. 8-ball ever gets to go down. So, Harley Davidson, I hope you're watching this. I know we've been in negotiations. This is a prototype. So, let's continue on. We'll get this thing loaded up, and we'll show Harley Davidson what it can really do. This is the last hole, hopefully, this 8-ball ever goes in. Done ruining lives, taking money from people. So, Mr. 8-ball, it's time to say sayonara. Okay, let's get to a safe spot and we'll get it lit up. That's what you can have, Harley. You can have the beginning of the party the end of the party. Traffic control, no more tailgaters. The CVO Screaming Eagle Cannons. Let's get them with the 22 CVOs. You know how to reach me.